Hello, my name is Stephen Pollard and I'm the founder of KiKiPa. Today I'm going to talk to you about the identity triangle. This is one of 4 videos in a sequence and using the immortal words of Douglas Adams. It's a trilogy in 4 parts. Simple triangle. There's you, the most important part of this. Front and center, the apex of the triangle. There's them, the people who want to interact with you, and there's us, KiKiPa, the technology company. Now, we've been using some very specific language as part of the patents that we've been fortunate enough to be granted. You are called a personal data provider for obvious reasons. They're called personal data subscribers because they subscribe to parts of you. And we provide the underlying technology that drives everything. This video though is about you, and I want to give you an understanding of what KiKiPa is and what it is not from your perspective. So personal data providers, this is a really important thing for me. For more than 20 years I've been thinking about this in a way that has dominated my thoughts. People should own their own data. And I don't know why that doesn't exist today, but the reality is there is no technology out there that allows you to do that today. You'll see parts of it, you'll see like in the Apple ecosystem, you'll see some of it. But I want to be able to use my identity on my Brave browser, in my Android phone, in my Safari browser, on my iPad, for example. I want it available everywhere. Fundamentally, what we're going to be building is what we call a personal data store, and it's like an advanced wallet that stores, personal data and stuff about you, and it's obviously going to be a crypto wallet as well. You need to be able to have personas. You need to be able to store data and share it and revoke access to people. You want to say, okay, no longer need that relationship. Thanks, delete, get rid of my data. This is important as well. Your data should work for you, not the other way around. In today's world, you've got like these walled gardens where, you give data to people under their terms and conditions. All the benefits lie with them. You get all the complexity. And I think that's wrong. And that's what we're trying to go and fix. Another important point, community terms and conditions. If we are able to be successful, it will mean a radical change on how terms and conditions are written for end users. And from the beginning, people, organizations that want to interact with us will have to adhere to our community terms and conditions. And on the next videos, I'll speak a little bit more about that. This is not a very technical problem to solve. I call it a 7 out of 10 problem. We have, all the tools from the crypto world. We have some great user experiences from broader technology spheres. And when you pull those two things together and you think about the user first, we can create something that is going to be really excellent to use and easy to use for almost everybody. And that's critical. It's not a difficult problem. The problem is scaling this thing and getting to hundreds of millions of users. And I'm not naive about that. Finally, I'd like to close by talking about, it's got to be more than just a data store, right? It's got to reflect, it's your identity. It's got to reflect who you are. And part of what we're doing at the moment is to start building out artifacts that allow you to embellish your identity and make it richer and more personal to you. That's it for now. That's the end of the first video. I'll see you on the next one. I'm Stephen Pollard, and I'm an ape on the internet. Thank you.